The handgun market has seen significant growth in recent years, with new models and innovative features being introduced every year. In 2023, several handguns have emerged as the highest-selling models in the market. These handguns have gained popularity due to their reliability, performance, and affordability, making them a top choice for both law enforcement and civilian users. Let's take a closer look at some of the highest-selling handguns of 2023. Top 7. Taurus G3C. Despite its affordable price point and the Taurus brand name, the G3C is a reliable and accurate handgun. Taurus seems to have some secret formula for these designs that just work, and it's impressive. The G3C has a sleek design with clean lines, which is always a plus in terms of aesthetics. Weighing in at just 22 ounces, this pistol boasts an adjustable rear sight and steel-ramped front sight. It's available in a compact version with a 12+1 capacity and a subcompact version with a 7+1 capacity, both with a short 3.25-inch barrel that makes them easy to conceal. While the manual safety isn't ideal for a CTO, it's not a deal-breaker for some people. The trigger isn't the best, but it's decent enough for effective shooting. Finally, while cost is not the top priority for a defensive gun, the G3C's value at around $200 is noteworthy compared to other polymer pistols that can cost significantly more. If you're on a tight budget, the Taurus G3C is a great option to consider. Top 6. Glock 43X. The highly anticipated Glock 43 slimline 9mm pistol is an excellent choice for concealed carry. It has a narrow profile, making it ideal for that purpose, especially compared to the bulkier Glock 19. However, due to its small grip and limited 6-round capacity, many people do not consider it suitable for daily carry. Fortunately, the Glock 43X addresses these concerns by featuring a longer grip and an increased 10-round capacity. This upgraded version is now an excellent all-around concealed carry firearm. The 0.7 inches longer grip of the 43X makes it a more comfortable pistol to shoot and still practical to carry. Opting for the MOS model offers a railed frame and a milled slide, enabling you to mount an optic. Similar to the 48, the Glock 43X can accommodate Shield Arms S15 magazines, which boosts its capacity to 15+1 rounds of 9mm. This means that you can enjoy a significant amount of firepower from a slim and compact firearm, which can also accommodate a compact light and an R&R if you opt for the MOS model. Top 5. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield M2.0. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm 2.0 is a revised version of the already excellent Shield, with a few improvements. The trigger has been revised to have less over-travel and a shorter reset, making for better shooting. While not on par with custom shop triggers, it is a definite improvement. The grip texture has also been updated with a rougher, more grippy texture added. The slide serrations have been changed to a fish scale-like pattern, with some added to the front of the slide as well. The M&P Shield 9mm 2.0 is a top-notch carry pistol that you can rely on. While you may come across both the original and M2.0 versions, eventually only the M2.0 will be produced. At under $400, it's an affordable and reliable option for anyone looking for a solid carry pistol. Top 4. SIG Sauer P320. The SIG Sauer P320 is not only the official handgun of the United States military, but it is also a favorite among law enforcement agencies and civilian shooters alike. The P320 is a striker-fired pistol platform that was initially developed as a successor to the SIG Sauer P250. One of the standout features of the P320 is its relatively low bore axis, which helps to reduce muzzle rise and improve follow-up shot times. Additionally, the P320 has a distinctive look and feel, with a trigger that cocks on both opening and closing, providing a quick and effective firing mechanism. Another key feature of the P320 is its manual safety, which was a requirement for the United States Army when it was selected as their new service handgun. The P320 is double action only, meaning that a single trigger pulls both cocks and releases the firing pin, making it a quick and reliable option for self-defense and law enforcement use. This gun is a versatile and reliable handgun that is well suited for a wide range of applications. Whether you're a military or law enforcement professional or a civilian shooter looking for a top-quality handgun, the P320 is definitely worth considering. Top 3. Colt Python. The Colt Python revolver was renowned for its accuracy, smooth trigger pull, and use of the potent 357 Magnum cartridge. First produced in 1955, it gained a loyal following among law enforcement, competitive shooters, and collectors. After being discontinued in 1999, it became a highly sought-after collectible. In 2021, Colt announced that the Python would be reintroduced as a limited edition release in 2022. All in all, the Colt Python remains a highly regarded revolver that is widely recognized as one of the best ever produced, garnering admiration from firearm aficionados and collectors. Top 2. Glock 19. The Glock 19 Compact is a versatile and reliable handgun, ideal for use as a backup service weapon, concealed carry firearm, or everyday pistol for home defense and target practice. With its simple operation, minimal recoil, and excellent handling characteristics, it is known for its rugged design and high dependability. Its simplicity and ease of use make it an excellent choice for novice shooters, while its accuracy and reliability make it a popular choice for experienced shooters as well. Its compact size and standard 15-round magazine capacity make it easy to conceal and comfortable to handle. The Glock 19 is also highly customizable, with interchangeable components and magazines available in 10, 17, and 19-round versions. While not a competition-level handgun, the Glock 19 is accurate up to 25 yards and is a cost-effective option for those seeking a reliable and accurate short-range handgun for self-defense. The Glock 19 has a low bore axis, which helps reduce recoil and allows for faster follow-up shots. Its modular design also allows for easy customization, with many aftermarket options available for sights, trigger components, and more. Top 1. SIG Sauer P365XL. The SIG P365 is a popular choice for concealed carry, offering a compact design and optional 15-round extended magazine. Despite initial reliability issues, the gun has received numerous awards and updates, including a frame-mounted, ambidextrous manual safety. The SIG P365XL is an extra-large variant, featuring a 12-round magazine and a taller grip, but maintaining a similar size to the standard P365 with the 12-round magazine. The flat X-Series trigger and extended beaver tail enhance user accuracy, and the slide is designed to accommodate a red dot optic if desired. The grip is taller to accommodate the larger magazine, but remains comfortable and easy to handle. The slide is also specifically designed to allow for the installation of a red dot optic, making the P365XL a versatile and adaptable handgun. The P365XL offers a great balance of compactness, capacity, and performance, making it a popular choice for concealed carry and everyday use.